the final countdown to the 15th National Games, as well as the 12th National Games for Persons with Disabilities and the 9th National Special Olympic Games is now on. As a broadcaster providing live coverage of these sporting spectacles, RTHK recently held a launch ceremony to cheer on our local athletes.
3、2、1，
咁今屆全運會意義非凡，係首次由廣東、香港、澳門3地共同舉辦。咁呢個啦，唔單止係粵港澳大灣區合作同埋融合嘅一個重要里程碑，更加係突破邊界嘅創新實踐。
香港電台其實喺2年幾之前咧，已經開始陸續咧喺設備同埋節目製作方面咧就着手準備㗎啦。首先，港台朝住智慧廣播嘅大方向咧，投入資源提升我哋硬件配套同埋傳播嘅系統，大大提升咗我哋製作嘅質素同埋效率，亦都為我哋嘅觀眾咧帶來嶄新嘅一啲觀賽嘅體驗。
To present a dynamic and innovative viewing experience, in addition to integrating the use of extended reality and augmented reality technologies for the very first time, we'll also deploy the largest ultra-high-definition LED screen production system among Hong Kong television stations. More than 600 athletes will represent Hong Kong in 28 competition events at this edition of the NG, marking the SAR's largest delegation in history.
My target is very simple. I just focus on my mind and my time, which is maybe hopefully my 10,000 meter can run around 35 minutes or below. At this moment, I think my condition sometimes is quite frustrated, but I will say I'm trying my best to and play my effort to train hard and get ready for the All China Games. Fighting. Let's fighting for ourselves, for Hong Kong city. Hopefully all of you can achieve your goal and get a good result.
RTHK TV32 and TV36 will be bringing you all the exciting action live, while RTHK TV31 will give viewers a recap of each day's highlight. Embracing inclusivity, RTHK TV36 will cover events across different regions and offer Cantonese, Putonghua, sign language, and audio descriptive commentary.
香港運動員加油！